let's take a look at one example of the solution for our assignment. So here we have a Java project, and please look at the documentation on how to create a Java project and a package. So we have a package named array, a Java project named array demo, and a class named array demo. And we have our main method here. We are declaring an array called nums, just like the assignment said. And we're saying that we're creating that instance with 40 elements in it. And now we're going to loop through array nums. So we're going to call length on nums to put in our header for our for loop. And then we are going to assign each iteration of I to that array. So you could see here as it goes through, and notice here instead of saying I equals 0, I'm starting with I equals 1 because that was the assignment to store values 1 through 40. So we're going to go here with I equals 1, and then we are going then to assign whatever the current element of nums sub I is to j, and we're going to add 10 to it and then output that. We're going to just create a new line here. This is a quick and dirty way to create a new line, and then we're going to create a header for a new section here. We're going to declare a string array, so this is what a string array would look like, and then we are going to declare our integer, this time initialized to 0 for the length of our array, and then increment by 1. We are going to declare our string element, and each element of the array, so string array sub 0, string array sub 1, string array sub 2, we're going to set that temporarily equal to element and then output that concatenated with the string. And we'll loop for the length of the loop. So let's click here on the class file and do run as Java application. And in this case, we didn't do print line when we output this. We just did print, so it's not creating a new line. So we can see here that we are outputting the numbers, adding 10 to it. And then we're also we're building that array, the string array, and we are outputting the elements of the string array. And we're also building that integer array too. So please take a look at the lab, and you can change this. This is certainly not everything, and you can either change what's here, add to it, whatever improvements you think you can make. So please stay tuned for the next lesson.